So what's up, my people? It's your boy Zubi King here once again, and wow, today's video is very super amazing, guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna list something out. First of all, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys a payment proof, which I'm already showing you. As you can see, this is 10 USD payment from in my dashboard. This payment landed 2 days ago. I have earned over close to 19 USDT in this particular US update. This is my latest withdrawal from it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys the payment proof, how to earn more on it, how to earn if you are not a Nigerian on this project. And most of you guys must be familiar with this project. If this is not your first time meeting my channel, I've made a video about this project also, and what you need to know as a user in this particular project, how to get paid monthly on the project, and so much for. So if you really want to know and you like what you are seeing on this video, first of all, give this video a like. I love it. I need you to give this video a like. Then bear it in mind that Zubi King is not in any way a financial advisor. Be sure to do your own research before doing anything. Make money online. And if you agree with me on this update that I want to show you to you guys and the terms and conditions with it, then let's go to the main video of the day. So there is something I want you guys to take a look at it. Yes, this is AI mining, and if you have been using AI mining and you want to skip this video, don't skip it yet, because there is something I want you to know about this. Take a look at my record of withdrawal. Now I've withdrawn over 16 USDT from 17 USDT. I have withdrawn 17 USDT from this particular update, which 2 USDT was deducted because I withdraw 2 times, and each withdrawal deduct 1 USDT. And also take a look at my deposit section. I've only deposited 20 USDT on this section, on this particular project. Now I want you to take a look at my balance. 15 USDT, which have been withdrawn to my Binance account. 20 USDT was deposited. Now let's go over to my dashboard. As you can see, I have accumulated 19 USDT. Today's revenue from agency is 0.6 USDT, and revenue from agency is almost 9 USDT. Now, to blow you guys' mind, take a look at my wallet balance. Now I'm currently having 21 USDT. 21.7 USDT. So who is losing and who is gaining? Yeah, Zubi King is gaining. So what's really happening is that, just like I normally tell you guys, once you go to the 20 USDT plan, after 20 days, your 20 USDT is gonna come back to your wallet. Then you will have the choice to withdraw or to reinvest it again. So that is it. For those of you that don't know how to start up with AI mining, it's very simple. It's very simple. Just click on this. Let me log out and show you guys. For those of you that are not a Nigerian, you're not from Nigeria, so let me click on, do you have register account? So for those of you that are not Nigerian, what you need to do is to just click on this place and add your preferred username. After you have added your preferred username, click on this Nigerian number icon and then click on please choose. Once you click on please choose, enter your phone number. Instead of clicking on get the verification code, just click on this WhatsApp icon over here. Click on this WhatsApp icon over here. It's going to take you over to their customer care, which they answer instantly. Shut them up. Tell them you're not a Nigerian and you want to sign up. They're going to give you the verification code. So come here, input the verification code and register. That is for those of you that are not Nigerian. And if you're a Nigerian, then just register. There's no problem. Just use your country code to register and you are good to go. So once you're done register, go and log into your account. So let me log into my account and click on login. So let me show you guys how to start off free. For those of you that have signed up free on this particular object, next thing you have to do is to look at this over here. You see where they ask you click this finger icon, click on it, and that's if I click on it now, it's gonna give you the free miner, the free trading bot. They have a free trading bot, so it's gonna give you the free trading bot that is gonna trade for you for 20 days. So click on this where it says buy discount at 0.0 USDT. So click on it and buy it. I cannot buy it again because I've done it before. Then once you're done with it, click on this place that says miner warehouse. So once you click on my one miner warehouse, it's gonna, that bot that you activated will reflect here. Then go to click on it. As you can see, the one I don't have any activated bots again, so click on this place and activate it. Click on activate it to activate. Once you click on activate, it's gonna reflect here. Then if you have any suspended bots, it's gonna reflect here, but I don't have any. I only have 2 expired bots. As you can see, I purchased this one and I purchased this one also, and this is the free one and this is the paid one. So if you want to earn much on this, once you are done with it, the bot that was given to you will be assigned to you and will be making money for you instantly. So for those of you that want to earn more on this, in fact, be serious about AI mining, because AI mining is a registered IP address user using company that uses people IP addresses to trade bots and share revenue with the person and the owner. So now let me show you guys more good thing about it. If you follow the link and you are done signing up, follow the link in the description. It's going to take you over to my WhatsApp DM direct, where I'm going to add you up to the group, to the WhatsApp group of the AI mining, where I'm going to learn how to be paid monthly fee. As you can see, this is my earnings for the day. How to be paid monthly fee, how to be paid monthly, and how to earn more. What you need to know about AI mining, why you don't need to do self referrals with the same IP addresses, and everything about it. So if you are done signing up and you want to earn more, just like I told you guys, don't worry, your 20 USDT that you're gonna deposit, or 21 USDT, is gonna come back to your account after 20 days, just like you are seeing on my dashboard now, because I'm gonna go back now to reactivate my miner with this 21 USDT. I have earned so much on it and I don't want to stop earning on it. So for those of you that want to deposit, just click on this place that says deposit. Then it will ask you the amount that you want to deposit. Normally it's 21 USDT, but if you have gotten over 1 USDT on your balance, maybe you have been using the free trader bots, and they have gotten over up to 1 USDT, don't worry, just tap the amount that you want, 20 USDT. Then it's going to ask you to choose network. You can use TRC20, which is recommended, ERC20, bank transfer and bank charges. But bear it in mind that bank transfer and bank charges for Nigerians have 8% of whatever you want to deposit. They're going to deduct it from your account, so take note of that. So once you are done, click on confirm. It's going to ask you to it's going to give you the wallet address. So copy the wallet address, do the deposit. Once you are done depositing, screenshot it, and you will see where they will give you an option to send your screenshots. Once you are done with it, refresh your account. Your 21 USDT or 20 USDT is gonna refresh on your account. I don't want to initiate any deposit. And once you are done with it, now let me activate a miner in front of you guys to show you guys how it works. So once you are done with it, click on this place called miner center. Click on it. It's gonna take you to where you are gonna buy the 1 USDT bot that is gonna leave the 20 USDT behind you, and it will be working for you. It will be trading for you even when you are not online. So click on this place that says buy, the first one, which is number 1 bot. Click on this place that says buy. Once you click on it, it's gonna tell you that you are gonna buy it for 1 USDT and 20 USDT for computing power. It's gonna show you guys, and miners are non-refundable after purchase and blah 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 blah. So just click on buy at discount of $1. So once you are done with it, as you can see, I've purchased successfully. Then click it off and go back to activation. As you can see, now that I have bought it, they have asked me to activate it. So if I click on this way that says activation now, it will be successfully activated, and it's no more on my non-activated bot. So if you click on activated now, you can see that it's now on my activated bot and it's working for me. In another 20 days again, my 20 USDT is gonna come back to me, and the whole earning is gonna, as you can see, lastly I made 19 USDT. Let me know how much I'm gonna earn again. So click on this place and go off. Now next thing for you to do is to join the WhatsApp, follow the WhatsApp link, join the WhatsApp group in the comment section. in the description of this video or the first comment in the comment section. I will show you guys, I will tell you guys, I will lead you guys to the group, the WhatsApp group of the VIP WhatsApp group. Let me show you guys the VIP WhatsApp group of AI mining. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. So this is the VIP group of the AI mining, the highest group. This is where people are sharing. This is still revenue is $10 a day, contact blah 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 blah. So this is where people are getting motivated to join AI mining. Guys, don't miss it out. This is where people are joining. I'm trying to show you guys one account of someone. This is 1,167 USDT accumulated by someone like me and you. So don't miss this AI mining. It's very legit. It's 100% legit, and it's not a crashable platform. It's a very good platform. So don't miss it out. Join the WhatsApp group in the comment section. Show me your deposits. Show me that you have signed up AI mining, whether free or not free. Whether you have signed up and using the free app, free bot or not. Just join the group and I will lead you to this main group. So as for now, see you guys on my next video. Bye.